I am Nikita Upadhyay, Assistant Professor in Institute of Pharmacy, Malvanchal University, Indore, MP. Today topic we are discuss are contents. Introduction, types, definition, principle, working and applications, simple distillations, fractional distillations, stem distillations, vacuum distillations. Distillations process of converting a liquid into vapors and heating and reconverting reconverting it again into liquid by condensing the vapor is called distillations. This is a method of separating the substances which differ in their vapor pressure. The distillation process is carried out in an apparatus consisting of steel distillation flask used for boiling vol- volatile materials, condenser used to condense the vapor, receiver used to cold the distillate. Types of distillations: simple distillations, vacuum distillations, fraction distillations, and stem distillations, district, distributive distillations. Simple distillations. It is process of converting a single substances into vapor and then reconverting the vapors again into liquid by condensing the vapor when it comes in contact with a cold surface. This process is also known as differential distillations as this process is based on the difference in the vapor pressures of component of the mixture. Principle of simple distillations. Simple distillations start when liquid start to boil at its boiling point. Liquid boils when its vapor pressures is equal to its atmospheric pressures. Higher the relative volu- volatility of the liquid, better will be the separations by simple distillations. The liquid start to the boil when it is heated in the distillations flask and vapors are transferred into the condenser where the condensate and reconverted into liquid which is collected by the receiver. Simple distillations apparatus. Working of simple distillation process. In laboratory scale, the liquid to be separated is filled into the distillation flask to half of its volume. Bumping of liquid is avoided by placing porcelain chips inside it. A A thermometer is fitted into the cork and fitted into the distillation flask. It just be below the side arm. Water is circulated through the jacket of the condenser. The distillation flask is heated gradually and the vapors are allowed to pass through the side arm and pass it into the condenser. Temperature of distilled is noted down when the boiling point of the liquid is equal to its atmospheric pressure. The vapors are condensed and collected into Teje receiver distillations is until a small amount of liquid remain into the flask. Application of simple distillations used for the preparations of distilled water and water for injection. Volatile and aromatic water are prepared. Few five official compounds are prepared through distillations. Non-volatile solids or liquid are separated through volatile solid. Organic solvent are purified by distillation. It is also known as distillations. Fractional distillation. It is also known as distillations of microscopic liquid. In this process, the evaporations of liquid gives rise the rise to the mixture of substance from which the distilled substances can be separated. This is process is also known as rectification because a parts of it is condensed and get back to the mixture. Thus distillations are used to separate mixables volatile liquid was boiling point are close. Principle of fractional distillations. It is a mass transfer process involving a counter current equilibrium at each stage. When liquid vapor are distilled, partial condensation of liquid is allowed to occur in the functional calcium. Functional distillation apparatus. Working of fractional distills process. Fractional column is fitted in between the distillation flask and the condenser. Fractionating column is used for nitrogen separations of two mixable liquids. Long fractionating column are used for separating mixture where the boiling point of single constituent are quite close to each other. In this type of distillations, the mixture of mixable liquid is heated in steam. Vapors that format are allowed to pass through the pectinating column and get separated by partial vapor pressure. The liquid which have higher boiling point is condensed first and vapor become richer with the liquid having lower boiling point which gets condensed in a condenser. Application of functional distillation used to separate mixable liquid like acetone and water, chloroform and benzene. Alcohol obtained from the process of fermentations is purified through functional distillation. Stem distillation. It is also known as distillations of two immiscible liquid. It is the process of distillations carried with the aid of stem the used for the separations of high boiling substance from non-volatile impurities. Principle of stem distillations. A mixture of immiscible liquid begin to boil when the sum of their vapor pressures is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Stem distillations apparatus. Working of stem distillations. When two immiscible liquid are heated together, then the mixture boiling when the sum of their vapor pressure equals to the atmospheric pressure. The temperature at which mixture boil is lower than that of either of liquid. The temperature The temperature at which mixture boil is lower than the of either of liquid. The temperature at which the mixture boiled remains stationary until one of the liquid has been completely removed from the distillation flask. Advantage: volatile oils can be separated at lower temperature. Disadvantage: not suitable for those immiscible liquid and water which reach with each other. Application of stem distillations used for the preparation of volatile oils, used to determination the percentage of volatile oil in the drug, used for purification of volatile oil without decomposition. Vacuum distillations. It is also known as distillations under reduced pressure. It is defined as distillations of a liquid under reduced pressures, enabling it to boil at a lower temperature than normal. Principle of vacuum distillation. These types of distillations occur at low pressures below the boiling point by applying vacuum. In this mass of vapor format is directly proportional to the vapor pressure of the evaporating liquid and inversely proportional to the external pressures. Mass of vapor presses of evaporating liquid. External pressure. Efforts of vacuum distillation. Working of vacuum distillation. In this type of distillations, the liquid mixture is placed in the distillation flask and vacuum is applied. Okay, under reduced pressure, the volatile liquid separated and converts into vapors, which is again reconverted into liquid. Advantages: increases the volatility of the competence, prevent product degradations. Disadvantages: persistent forming occur, not suitable for the preparations of semi-solid and solid extracts. Applications of vacuum distillations used for thermolabile substances. Temperature sensitivity. Used for obtaining a liquid mass on distillations of liquid extract. Used to separate substances which undergo decompositions when heated under atmospheric pressure. Vacuum still. Vacuum still are employed for distilling substances on large scale under reduced pressure on large scale. Principle of vacuum still. These types of distillations occur at low pressures below the boiling point by applying vacuum. In this mass of vapor format indirectly proportional to the vapor pressure of the evaporating liquid and inversely proportional to the external pressure. Mass of vapor pressures infinity. Vapor pressure of evaporating liquid upon external pressure. Apparatus of vacuum steel. Working of vacuum steel. It is made up of stainless steel or any other metals which can withstand high vacuum. The steel is connected to the condenser. The vacuum is corrected with the help of vacuum pump. The vacuum steel is filled by attaching pipe to a top in the lower part of the hot and the pump is started. The other end of the pipes are dipped into the liquid to be distilled so that I can be drawn into the still. An observation windows is also very helpful to see the progress of distillations and also see the levels of liquid content. Applications of vacuum still. Distillations of substances that have high boiling point than atmospheric pressure to distillate out thermolabile substance removal of the last traces of a volatile solvent. Purified water IP. Water which is free from volatile and non-volatile impurities is called purified water. It is prepared by distillations, ion exchange, treatment, reverse osmosis, or any suitable process. It is storage in contain no added substance and meet the requirement of chemical purity. It is liable to get contaminated by microorganisms, therefore not be used in parenteral preparations. It should be stored in tightly closed containers. Water for injection IP. Water which is free from volatile and non-volatile impurities, microorganisms and provenance is called water for injection. It's obtained by distilling potable water, purified water or distillation. Efficient devices for preventing water drops to go along with water vapor into the condenser. The first portion of distillated is rejected, which contains volatile impurities. The remainder is collected in suitable containers and closed so as to avoid contamination. It storage in contains no added substance and meet a requirement of chemical purities. Thank you.